Student, welcome back to online classes. Let's continue to our lesson 1.2, the Northern Plains. Yesterday, I explained you about the geographical part of Northern Plains and how it is formed, and about the basin, plateau, and the classification of Northern Plains, that is Satluj Basin in the west, the Ganga Basin in the middle, and the Brahmaputra Basin in the east. Now let's start with the Satluj Basin. It lies in the western part of Northern Plain. Punjab and Haryana are the two important states in this basin. The basin has a slope in the southwest direction. The Satluj and its tributary Beas flow through this region. They join the river Indus in Pakistan and flow into the Arabian Sea. Here you can see the picture of Satluj Basin. Now here you can see that it flows through the southwest, through Punjab, and join the river Indus in Pakistan. Then it flows into the Arabian Sea and its tributary like Ravi rivers, Beas rivers that flow through this region, and it lies in the western part of Northern Plain. This is the western part of Northern Plain, and Punjab and Haryana are the two important states in this region. And about the tributaries. Tributary is a river that flow into a large river. You can see here in the picture that small rivers are there and they flow into a large river. This flow into a large river, that is your tributary. And Bhakra Nangal Dam is built across the Satluj river. Now come back to our basin. The Ganga basin lies between the Satluj in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. It stretches from Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh to Bihar and West Bengal. Earlier also I explained you that Ganga basin is in the mid of Satluj basin and the Brahmaputra basin, and it stretches from Uttarakhand, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh to Bihar and West Bengal. The Ganga and the Yamuna are the two important rivers in this basin. The Gomti, Gandak, Ghagra, and the Kosi are their tributaries. These are all Himalayan rivers. Here you can see that Ganga and Yamuna are the two main rivers in this basin. Gomti, Gandak, Kosi, Ghagra are the tributaries, and these are all Himalayan rivers as it flows through the Himalayan rivers. And here you can see below the river Ganga of the northern plains deserve a special mention, and some tributaries of the Ganga and Yamuna rise in the hills of the Deccan Plateau, and their tributaries are Chambal, Betwa, and the Son. They all are rain-fed rivers, means they have water only during the rains. That is, they depend on monsoon, means during the rainy season only they have water in the rivers. But in the Himalayan rivers have plenty of water all the time. As earlier also I told you that Himalayan rivers remain covered with snow throughout the year, and this snow keeps melting. Therefore, the Himalayan rivers have plenty of water all the time. But in other part of the Deccan Plateau, they are rain fed. So, that's all for today. Thank you.